Hey! How's it going, everybody? Man, I feel like it's been so long since I've been programming. When even was the last programming stream? It was before Thanksgiving, wasn't it? Anyways, so yeah, the game hasn't changed too much since last time. I haven't really... I fixed a couple random bugs I found, but nothing super important. The tutorial's still a work in progress, so I don't really have anything to show off. So I figured today I feel like I'll just take it easy, and I thought maybe I would try making a couple units. I'll try to get 2 done, and we'll see where we end up from there. It might take longer than that, just for 1 unit, but who knows. Alright, so the first one I want to try to make is like a commander unit. So like last time I was doing some brainstorming of different units for my 2 factions, and I figure I'll make a couple units for my human faction today. So we'll start with the commander type unit. So the idea for the commander is it'll be a unique unit. You can only have 1 of him. And his special abilities will be that he can order friendlies to move or focus. So he'll have an action to choose a friendly guy. I should probably have some kind of limitation on the range. Maybe within, well, I don't know. So Imperial Assault had a unit, like a hero unit, and he could do line of sight. So maybe we'll stick with that for now. I mean, since this is a unique unit, he could pretty reasonably have some cool abilities. So maybe we'll do in line of sight for the abilities. For his attack, he'll just have a green-blue die, and for his energy abilities, he'll have search for +2 damage. And I thought maybe having like a gain a magic point might be really interesting, so maybe we'll try that as well. Alright, so let's see, let's go ahead and try to add a new unit. So I think I'll try to split things up a bit. So I've got the test units up above and the campaign units below. So maybe we'll just call this the human faction. I mean, I really don't have any kind of like faction identifier right now, but yeah. Alright, so let's add a new unit type. So I probably don't like the order of the unit types probably doesn't really matter. But I guess I could say like human faction commander or something. Wait, where? Oh, it's just at the top of this file. That's what's going on. Alright, so we'll add that in. We need some kind of name. And the name right now is what shows up. Where's my screen? Oh, it rebuilt because I've been saving. And I have a bug because... Oh, it's probably crashing. Hold on. Let's look at this. So the name is what shows up here at the top. This is the production version. So for the name, maybe we'll just throw something down for now. Like, he should probably have a cool name, like a person name, right? Maybe it could be a girl. Well, we're just gonna put commander for now, because I'm lazy. Unit cost 3, 1 group. Group cost 3. Squad limit 1. 2 actions. Let's go with 5 health and 4 movement speed. Ranged attack. Let's do green-blue for the dice, for range, and green-blue for the damage. And for defense, let's go with the black die. Maybe be a little more defensive. You know, they're a commander. Maybe they've got some armor. Alright, for the energy abilities, we said we wanted to have damage boost for 2. And then, let's see. Maybe, we can go ahead and try to add that magic point thing. So let's go ahead and add another ability type. We'll call it Gain Magic. And that's probably all he needs. Alright, but the special actions, those are important as well. So, let's see, special actions, so let's have order move and order focus. And we want to have tooltips as well. So let's add those in, and those are near recover. So yeah, I'll just put in a string for now. Alright, that should be good enough. What's wrong here? Why is well anyways, the amount, that'll be 2 spaces to move. And then I'll have another one for order focus. But it doesn't like, let's see, I added this, and I saved it. What? Oh, okay. For some reason I had it as this instead of that. There we go. Yeah, I just put the wrong thing there previously. Alright, that should be enough for our unit definition, I think. So we need to go implement a few different things. Gain magic, order move, and order focus. So, let's see. I mean, gain magic should be pretty easy to make, I think. So maybe we'll just do that first. Let's see. So a lot of what I've got for the attack, let's see. probably, this will be pretty similar to the focus, it'll be pretty similar to this or recover. So maybe we'll, yeah, let's just add it in here. And it should be based on the ability amount. We'll need to add this though, so let's go find this guy. Add this in as a number. We will want to make sure it is in our logic there, because that's for the whatchamacallit, this is our serialization, so that we can reload if we get disconnected. Alright, so that should cover us there. So then we'll just want to find in the game state. So this is when the attack's completed. And I think I don't know if we need it to maybe we should limit it that it's you hit them and the damage done is greater than 0. Otherwise, you could get some, like, you shoot across the map, right? Alright, so, let's just put a greater than 0 for that. And then, we just want to get the active player. And their magic points can go up. And we should probably have some kind of animation or something for that as well, huh? Yeah. Oh, we can put that on our to-do list for now. So, let's see. Animation for gain a magic point. Alright, and we kind of did, we did this one. That actually should be all we need, for it to work, honestly. Alright, so that covers the gain magic part, but that was the easy part. Let me get some water. Alrighty, so, let's see, where were we? So, we implemented game magic, at least we think we did. We probably do need to do something else, so that our game loads. Yeah, so we probably want a graphic for them. And currently I'm just doing this, with a big if-else statement, but I'll probably have to clean this up at some point. And I don't really have a graphic yet. So for now, maybe we'll just reuse the medic graphic. Let's throw that onto our to-do list as well. Hey, Wavy Chew! How's it going? I'm programming. Alright, that's the default loadout. Alright, I think that's enough to, not have our game crash. So I should be able to find the commander. And yeah, I added him to the list. I don't know why. I don't know why it's an axe, though. I thought I had made it a, the medic. Oh, I didn't save. That's why. There we go. So now we've got our commander, and we can check out the stats. So, +2 damage, and, oh, I don't have an icon. So I should probably add in some kind of icon for the gain a magic point. Let's see. So that's gonna be handled, yeah, we'll want to go find everywhere that we did damage boost before. Yeah, the ability listing. Here's, this is our ability listing that creates all the images and text. So I think we'll just head in right here. If it's, let's see. So Blast and Cleave have text, but we'll probably just reuse our magic icon for this one. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Oops. So if the ability effect is, gain magic. Oh no. Let's see. Actually, we don't want it there. Alright, yeah. So there's range boost, block boost, pierce, recover, and focus. We're basically just going to want another one. So let's copy that and change it to gain magic. And we want to use the magic icon, which I'll have to go find that. I don't remember what it is. I don't know if I want magic points. Small or... Let's try magic points small. I don't know if we're using that. Oh, we are using it there. Alright, we'll try that. Yeah, we'll try that and see. And we want the tool type to be... Oh, it looks like I need to add another... Yeah, I need to add another tooltip. Hey, how's it going? Is it Masaru? Masaru, maybe. Oh, hiyo gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. It's the afternoon for me. Yeah, let's add another tooltip here. I thought I just added a tooltip. Oh no, I don't think I did actually. Alright. Oops. For this one, there we go. Alright, let's check out our game. So we add the commander in, and now it's got the little magic point icon, but there's a couple problems. It's not spaced correctly, and it's not purple. I want it to be purple. So let's see. What happens if I just make it a regular magic point? Oh, well, that's really big. So I don't think I want that. Let's stick with the small one. But we do need to adjust it a little, perhaps. I'm not sure why it doesn't line up with the other icons. It's kind of weird. Oh, I probably don't want to do this subtraction here. I probably added that in for, there we go. Well, now it's... That's probably okay. Oh, it's still not... It's talking about healing, though. Why is it doing the recover one? Oh, probably because I didn't switch that. Oh, I'm not showing the text. There we go. So I still had the recover in here from where I copied it. Alright. So that'll do that. We also want to set the tint on this sprite. So like I set it to red for the health icon, so... And I want to say that there should be a magic point tint. There we go. Alright, now it should be purple. Alright, and sure enough, it's purple, and the tooltip is also correct. It's a little on the small side, but like if I don't use the if I don't use the small icon, I feel like it's too big in that case. Yeah, that's way too big. I could probably scale it down a little bit. Yeah, let's try the same as the rage icon. Alright, that's reasonable, I think. Alright, so our commander, looking good there. And, one thing I want to do... I've kind of got like a test scene, that you saw there previously. And, basically, here we go. We're gonna switch this to the commander. Alright, so now that I hit test, yeah, I've just got a commander here, and I should be able to... Oh, I was testing out, some stuff. I had a line of sight bug. Alright, so I can shoot around this corner at this guy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I currently don't have these, actions implemented. The tooltips are working, though. Alright, so we're gonna just, attack, and hopefully we get a... deck on it. He got an evade. Alright, let's try again. Alright, I didn't get any lightning bolts that time. I mean, I could cheat, but I thought I would probably get lucky and get it on the first try. But yeah, it's still not lightning bolts. Alright, we're just gonna do the damage there. Oh, I still gotta wait for that. Oh, and I think if you switch players during the end of the round, it gets kind of weird. Alright, let's try again. Alright, we got the lightning bolt that time, and we'll do a +1 there, so that we do damage. And now we can do, get an extra magic point, and what we should see is, my magic points should go from 3 to 4, and they did, because I did damage. Alright, so that works. So, pretty happy to say that that looks like it works. Oh, I wonder, let's see. Does my UI let you add more than one? Okay, it doesn't let you add a second one. You're only allowed to have one. That's not really in the UI yet, but that's fine. I will add a to-do for that though. I could probably have some kind of little indicator or something, I don't know. Let me get some water. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and try to implement the first of these abilities. So I want to be able to, maybe I should do focus first, that's probably a little bit easier. Since I'll just pick a unit in line of sight, and then, yeah, let's do that one first. Alright, so we're going to implement this special action effect, focus. And so the special action effects in gameplay scene, I think is what we want to look at first. Probably. Yeah, let's think about it from the gameplay scene's perspective. Looks like I left some code for later, but I don't think that's what I want now. Alright, so here's where I'm actually clicking the special unit, the special action. That's where we do it. There should be somewhere where I set up whether it's possible or not. Let's see, where would that be at? Where would that be at? Probably when we do something with the action window. Alright, let's see. Yeah, here's where we're deciding all the different actions we have. Oh, here we go. Add special actions. Alright, can use special action. Alright, and we're gonna want to specialize the result icon. That's probably good enough. Alright, so if the special action if the effect equals focus, then we want our icon to be the focus icon, right? Oh, do I not have that? Action, extra. Alright, I do need to add that. Oh, I probably, let me think about that. Because, what it looks like in the UI, let's go to our test scene. So currently it'll be like a little arrow. Like I've already got arrow focus, so maybe I just want some text for that, like inspire or something, right? And for the other one, I probably want, like order. Those are probably good, right? So, yeah, so if it's move or focus, probably just be null or something, right? I don't know if I can, is it nullable? Oh, this isn't a type even. Let's find out where I'm using result icon at. Perhaps I'll add in, oh, text is what I want. Alright, that'll tell it, that I want a text. Alright, and I will need to set the text. Let's see, how did I do that before? Oh, text, there we go. Alright, so, if it's order, move, we'll just stick it on the end here. Alright, I think that's probably good enough. Let's check out what it looks like. We'll go into our test thing. There we go, so we've got inspire. There's a 2 though. I don't really want the 2 to be there though. And this one, oh, I seem to have gotten them wrong. Oh, I put order move for both. Alright, I fixed it real quick. Alright, so I wonder if I just want to have, the number not show up at all. Why is there a 2? Why is there a 2 for focus? Alright, that's because, I have a 2 here. We'll change that to 1. And I expect that'll go away. Yeah, now it's just inspire. And, it's order 2. But, maybe I can change it so the text doesn't show up at all. I mean, the number. see, I probably still want to use the result amount though, right? I might want to just add in a special field that's like don't show amount or something like that. Let me think. Yeah, let's check where result amount is used. So if it's only used for the button, then I probably am good with just setting it to something like 0 or something. Yeah, I think we can get away with that. So I'm just gonna go for that for now. Alright, so we'll default it to this. But in here we're gonna set it to 0. Alright, and there we go. So now we've got our 2 special actions. But we currently can't use them for a couple reasons. One, we don't have any friendlies. So let me add in a friendly unit. But the other reason is we haven't implemented this can use special. So for now we'll add in an extra group. So that's the first one. Alright, so that'll add in another group. No, I think we're good there. Alright, now I've got 2 groups, and they're actually pretty good spots too for testing our thing. Alright, so now we need to implement can use special action. Otherwise, we'll never be able to click on it. Alright, so if the unit can use the special action, if he has actions remaining, so we should be good there. And use special actions. Looks like I've already implemented a lot of what I'll need here, because you can only do a given special action once per round. But it looks like we're good on that, so that should return true. Alright, so then, yeah, I haven't even added in the effect here. So let's go ahead and just copy this, and we're gonna do order focus first. And for focus, it's in line of sight. So we want to get friendly units in line of sight. I don't know if I have a great function for that yet. I've got this special action target. What does this do? Let's see. Player unit action. Doesn't look like it, what actually caused this? Okay, we're calling it there and recover adjacent. That's when we click on it. Alright, so yeah, we are going to need to implement that for sure. Alright, well. Let's see. Yeah, we can just go with that player. And, the unit. And, lastly, the special action. Should be that, right? Then we're gonna iterate through. And, I shouldn't really need to do this. Alright, probably if, probably it's good enough to say if, yeah, probably good enough to say that for now. Alright, but, we've just kind of, put off our work over here. We tend to do that in programming, you just make more functions, and eventually you'll have to implement what you need to implement. Alright, so now we're in here. Alright, so we want to get the targets here. So, yeah, let's just copy this. I feel like this is, it looks like I was duplicating a bunch of code, which is probably kind of annoying, but I'll worry about that later. Alright, so now we actually need to get our list of units, and I think we're probably just gonna have to, oh, there's can draw. No, that's not what I want. So I kind of, there's like, again, attack targets, kind of does what I want. Where is it? I sure have written a lot of code, haven't I? Alright, well, I think there's a function called, like, let's see, there's get available attack squares. Get attack range 2. What does this do? This, it goes through every square on the map and finds out the range to attack a given target and puts it into the list. Which is, honestly, that's probably what I want. I just, I just need to check, it doesn't look like I have anything that checks the player index, so that should be good. Yeah, so let's reuse that. Where was it? Get attack range. Get available attack squares. I think that's what we want. We're not actually attacking, right? But, and this won't matter because we're a ranged unit. Or yeah, we're gonna just try to reuse this function. See how it goes. Alright, so that should give us I think that should give us basically every unit in range. And yeah, we don't, it filters out U squares that don't have units in them. So that's good. That's what we want for now. Alright, so then we want to iterate through all those units. And I only want to consider friendlies. Oh, let's see, but I'll have to get the unit at the square. Because these, let's see, there is a unit ID. So that'll grab the unit for us. Alright, so friendly units, and then they don't have to be damaged. Whoops. But probably if it's already focused, I probably don't want to add it as a target. So let's make sure it's not focused. Alright, wow, that was a lot, but I think that'll do what we want, roughly. Alright, so I expect that's a decent amount of what we need. Let's see how far we get. Alright, so Inspire is now lit up. So let's click Inspire and see what happens. Nothing. That wasn't what I wanted. Alright, well, it's probably not too shocking, honestly. Probably not too shocking. Alright, well, let's see. We're probably in here now. Yeah. So yeah, we're at Special Action Click. And we kind of want to do the same thing we did for Recover Adjacent. Alright, so get the targets. We just implemented that function. So that should be good. And then everything else regarding target selection is great. The action button will be Inspire. And I think we're good. Alright, let's see what happens now. Alright, so now we can select a target. And Inspire's lit up. Oops, I hit a button. So now I don't expect this to actually work though. It didn't even use up my action. And that's expected. Because I haven't implemented that yet. Alright, so when we click Inspire, what we want to do is that's like one click special action. I don't know if we're getting to perform special action or not, but that's for replays. Yeah, so when we click the action, we're selecting units, and with special action, and we clicked it, so we go to perform special action, and we're passing the unit ID. I think this is all already done for us. Yes, it'll go in, and it'll do perform special action on the game. And this is where we need to implement something. Alright, probably do special action effect. Here we go. Alright, so if it's order focus, the action amount doesn't even matter. Whoops. Alright, and then target dot focus is probably what we want to do. Though I don't know if yeah, I don't think we don't want to do that, because that'll take away his actions. So let's probably just make a new function for now, I guess. This is kind of a dumb way to write it, but we're just gonna do that. Alright, and I think that'll do it. But I did see one more thing we want to change. So here's where we're doing the special action. That was where we are in the game state. And now, let's see, here we go. So if it's recover, then we play that little animation. I kind of want to play an animation to show that they got focused. So, let's copy this. And if it's order focus, we don't need an amount. We're gonna play an animation, but not the damage animation. We want to play something else. So currently I've got like the recover and damage bubbles. I kind of want to play like the little magic animation, but with a focus icon instead. Don't I have I'm pretty sure I've got another thing for that. That's probably in the round end stuff. Yeah, Q collect tween. But that's not really what I want to do, because that zooms up into the, yeah, I think I'll need a new function. Let me go back to where I was. So I could probably repurpose this. I can add some more. I could add some more stuff to it. Because this is kind of what I want to do. Yeah, so the damage bubble is currently, it's a text and a sprite. I should really probably add another function though, because I don't want to really overload this one too much. But I am going to end up just copying a bunch of stuff. But oh well. Alright, we're going to copy this for now. And we're going to say play icon animation. Because you never know what we're going to need. Instead of a damage, let's see. Attacker ID. The damage, the delay. Probably leave the delay. And then, we want a, icon type. But I don't know. For now, let's just do a string. Alright, so we'll get the unit. We're just gonna call it bubble for now. And we just want to create a sprite actually. Alright, so we're gonna just call it bubble, and it's gonna be a sprite, and the string we'll use is the string we passed in. The tint. I don't know if I want to set the tint for now. Let's not do that. We don't need the text stuff, so let's delete all the text parts. Alright, there we go. And now we just basically just copy in what we had. And this theoretically will all just work. And what we should expect is that a little icon will pop up, very similar to when you take damage. Alright, so we've got this play icon animation function, and we just need to call it. And we do need to pass in a string, and I think we'll just do the icon focus string for now. Which is the little eyeball. Alright, I think I'm ready to test. Do you guys think it's gonna work? I think it's gonna work. Alright, so I should be able to inspire, click a unit, click inspire, and there it is, the little eyeball. And it might be kind of hard to see. He does have the little green focus icon as well. So he did become focused. We can't do it anymore since we already did it. And yeah. Looking good. I do think I want to make, it's a little hard to see because it's like white. I should probably make it, easier to tell what it is. We could set the tint on it, that is one thing we could do. But But, yeah, I'm not really sure. I feel like it's still not going to be super visible. I don't think I even have a focus icon tint. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I should probably rework the focus icon itself. Let's see. What do I want to do? I might want to do some quick editing of an icon. Let me load up an icon. Let's see. Let's see. Do I want it to look kind of like the victory point icon? I mean, that one's pretty easy to see. Where is the focus icon? Let me bring up my editor. Alright, here's where I'm doing my pixel editing. It's a neat little app called SpudKeyboard. And this is the focus icon that shows up on dice. But I was thinking maybe I want to resize, it to like 48 by 48. But I don't want to actually resize the picture. There we go. Maybe just 32, 36. Alright, and I'm gonna add a layer below this one actually. And I'm just gonna draw a big circle and fill it in. Alright, then we'll go back to this layer. And let's make it green. I should probably really pick a color. Let's see, it doesn't look like I've picked what color green we want. So let's see, like kind of a darkish green maybe. Whoops. I don't know. I could try something like that. Gotta be careful. There's probably an easier way to do this, but is this gonna look bad? I feel like this is gonna look kind of bad. I don't know. Well, the nice thing about icons is that you can always replace them later. Alright, I'm gonna hide this for when I go to save it. Alright, so I'm gonna basically just export as a PNG. Alright, so I added in a new sprite. Let's, we have to add that to our preload scene. Man, my naming sense is pretty terrible here. Whoa, not that. Focus. Alright, I think that'll be good. Alright, back in the gameplay scene. Back where we call this focus icon. There we go. Alright, let's see what that looks like. It was a box. Why was it a box? Oh, I didn't put it in that folder, that's why. I didn't put it in the right place. Alright, let me go fix that up. I'm just gonna move it. So I put it in sprites, but I'm gonna move it over to icons. Alright, it should be there now. Alright, let's inspire. There we go. Alright, not the best looking, but it'll do. Alright, where were we at? I think we just finished implementing the focus action. Alright, so next up we want to add I could, now that I've added a way to play those really I could play like the collect animation for Magic Point, couldn't I? Anyways, let's worry about that later. Alright, so next we want to do this other action. And a lot of it's going to be the same. Basically, anywhere we did this sort of focus, we're going to want to go ahead and add order move. So let's go ahead and take a look. So here is, when you click the special action button, pretty much all that's going to be the same. Order move. But it is going to be a little different when you click the action, because then you'll have to click where they move to, right? But we'll worry about that in a minute. Do the special action effect. That's going to be a little more complicated as well. But we can go ahead and add it in, since we know we need it. Well, right in a good to-do there. Oh, and I meant to go through the gameplay scene ones first. Alright, so there's that. When you perform the special action, this is the animation we play. What we'll want to do here is actually play the movement animation. Which will get a little more complicated than this. So for now, let's just delete this and put that in there. We might have to actually No, that should be good, actually. Alright, let's keep going. So here, we've already got the text, so we don't need to update that. Alright, in the gameplay scene, we've got our to-do here. What is this one? This is, can you use it? And we're pretty much just going to use the same logic there. And here... In fact, yeah, it is going to be a little bit different. Alright, so... We don't need that line about, being focused. Alright, that should do it. So yeah, basically just any friendly unit in line of sight we want to be able to do this with. Alright, so the big thing we need to do now is, after you select the unit, it's going to be like they're moving. So, it's going to be a little tricky. A little tricky, for sure. Alright, well... It's going to be in, like, click action. Alright, so... We're selecting targets from unit for a special action. But, here... We don't want to actually perform the action yet. Because that's what actually sends the message out. So we're gonna have to put in some special case logic here. Let me look at the game to think about how I want to do it. So you're gonna pick order, you're gonna pick a guy. I wonder... So like we could make it so you click order, and then the movement comes up, and then you have to click a spot. And perhaps just clicking the spot. Let's see. Alternatively, right, when you click order and you click the guy. So currently I'm looking at my movement locations. You can't click them because if... I should probably hide that, huh? But yeah, I wonder if I should do it when I click the guy. I should probably have to click order first. And then we'll just switch into a mode where we select square. Perhaps. And maybe this will go away, because really at that point you just need to click a square 2 spaces away. Though maybe you can still cancel it, I don't know. There's certainly a few different ways to do it. How do I want to do it? And then I want to go look at special action click. So yeah, this I have this code that I added. I wonder if when we click no, we definitely need to do the action window. Yeah, it's just whether if I want to make you commit to the move or not. Once you click order, right? Oh, I guess that that really broke things. That's probably just because we haven't fully implemented it yet. Let's see. Oh, it's because I put that start animation in there, and I deleted the end animation. That's why it's really broken right now. But that's fine. Alright, so we probably kind of want to go into the same, like select tiles for movement state, perhaps. Yeah, I don't know. So I probably want to have like, no, I guess I could still, let's see. So I could have some special code. Man, I sure used perform special action in a lot of places. Alright, yeah, that's not gonna help. Alright, search for this. No, because like what I'm really gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to look up which special action it is, and determine if there's additional work to do before we actually perform it. Yeah, for now let's how do we even get that? Because yeah, I could add more info into this. Oh, I guess I have to account. It's possible that it's possible you'll do it to a unit that can't move. I suppose there's some super edge cases where that could be the case. Yeah, because if, for example, if you were next to a guy and then both of you were surrounded by like walls or other units, not necessarily going to be able to move anywhere. In that case, probably wouldn't want to even let you do it, right? But as long as you can cancel, it should be fine. Alright, let's, yeah, I didn't really build this, such that you can do moves in between actions. Tricky. let's look at the thing again. Wolves. Do I need to watch out for wolves? Alright, so order... Like, I wonder if I want to, when I click the guy, I'll also have to click, a location, for example. Kind of like what we're looking at now. I think that might be pretty good way to do it. So until you click both the guy and the location, it won't light up the button. Alright, so let's see. So what I want to do is, let's see, when I click the target, that's going to be one of my click events. So yeah, the selectable targets. Alright, yeah, I think I know what I want to do now. So basically when I click a unit, I want to do this selectable tile stuff as well. To let you select a tile. Alright, so let's find out where we click a unit. So that's hover. I guess I want to click unit. Alright, so if we're in select targets, we should be in select from target units. Yeah, so this is the code we're running when you click them. And so what I want to do here is if it's a special action that requires selecting a tile as well, then prepare the tiles to be selected. Alright, and then update action window. So the special actions are updated with, oh, that's probably not, no, we're going to be in, select from target units. Yeah, this is where we are. And if, we'll want to add in an extra thing that requires a selected tile as well. For it to be enabled, right? Alright, select target info. I think this is what we want to update. So let's add a tile required boolean and a tile selected. We're gonna need an X and a Y, aren't we? I mean, I could just do it like that for now. I think that's probably good enough. So go ahead and initialize this stuff. We'll probably need this again. I'm just double checking all the different places that we use this at. Alright, it's quite a lot, quite a lot of places. So I'll probably have to, yeah, that's really a lot of places. Alright, when we click a unit, let's also set, tile required to false for now. I should probably add in a function that's like reset this state or something. Alright, and here's where we want to, if it's required, we need to set this to true. That way our action window won't say it's it won't say you can click the button yet. Let's see, where else do I do this? So that's for performing an attack. Special action. I'll have to go back there. That's for heal. Inspire. And here's for order. Maybe this is where I need to say, the tile. Maybe this is where I need to set this stuff. Yeah, I think that makes sense. And let's go back to the other spots and set it to false there. And we probably cleared there too, right? This seems to be a good place to reinitialize some stuff. I really should just add a function for it though. Alright. And then I don't think I want to do it here actually. Because, oh, maybe I don't even need to do anything. Let's see. Actually, yeah. Alright, so if a tile is required, create the tiles based on the action. Alright, I think that would be good. If it's attack, we don't care. And if it's special action, if the unit ID is not equal to 1, alright, and also, if tiles required, and, yeah. So, if, it's tricky. Hey, what's a good coding language to start with for beginners? That's a really good question. Let's see. It depends on what you want to do, right? Because, different languages are good for different things. Like if you want to make a game, it's actually probably better to start with, like one of the game engines that, kind of has their own specialized stuff. But if you want to, like, program an app or something, you might want to just dive right into, JavaScript or something. I'm not really sure. That's a good question. The nice thing is that with a lot of the really popular languages, there's tons of good tutorials and stuff. So yeah, sorry, that's not a great answer, I guess, but if you have an idea what you want to do, maybe I can give a more specific answer. Alright, and then I want to have another check, so if the tile's not required, or, we've already selected a tile. Oh, you're not really sure, but you want to make bots for Discord and some games. Oh, Discord bots. That's pretty interesting. I have, I actually have no idea how to make those. Let me look it up real quick. Cause, okay, looks like JavaScript is, what a lot of them are written in. They're actually using Node.js, which, conveniently, that's actually what I'm using for my backend here in my game. Node.js is a JavaScript module, I guess. I don't really know what you would call it, but Node lets you, it's generally used for, like, running servers, like JavaScript servers. Maybe, that might be a fun stream to do. Like, build a super simple JavaScript, Discord bot. That might be fun. Let me write that down. Yeah, that might be fun. If you want to check out, if you want to read about games, I haven't actually used. I mean, there's always Unity. Unity is free. I haven't actually used it myself, really, other than messing around with my character model. But Unity is supposed to be pretty good, but there's also a rather new engine called Godot. And yeah, the Godot engine is supposed to be really good game engine as well. I'm not exactly sure what language it uses. It looks kind of like JavaScript. Just looking at some examples, but it might be a little more like Python. Let's see. Looks like you can actually use C#, C++, or their GD script. So, lots of options. I should probably try that out as well. And I'm sure there's plenty of really good tutorials, probably way better than anything I could do. But, I don't know. I could give it a shot. For the Discord bot, it looks like there's a thing called, just looking up, this looks like it's probably a pretty easy, tutorial on how to make a Discord bot. Maybe I'll follow that, on a stream sometime. Thanks for the follow, by the way. Alright, well, let me get back to my overly complicated game. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, I was just putting this check. So it'll require us to select a tile. In order to, press the button. Alright, so that's there. Oh, it looks like I tried to copy that link to Restream, but it actually only went to YouTube. Maybe I can, there we go, I put it in my, my own stream manager. That might work. Alright, anyways, alright, so next up, oh, I was gonna see if, my game was broken or not. Let's see, how bad is the damage? Alright, so, can I still move and attack? Alright, looks like attacking still works, so that's good. Alright, and then when we inspire, I didn't expect inspire to light. Oh, that's because I didn't, oh, I made it so I can't click it, but, I didn't make it so it doesn't light up. Alright, let me copy this. Go to, one-click unit. Update the action window. That's what we want. Alright, special actions. Sure is a lot of stuff here. Alright, here we go. Meets requirements. There we go. That's what we need. Alright, can use special action. If meets requirements. We want to make sure... Oh no, this isn't the right spot, is it? No, that isn't what I want. Yeah, it's actually this one. Here we go. Let's break this out so it's easier to read. I recommend always trying to make your code more readable. That way, you can always come back later, right, and figure out how to fix it. Because if even you can't read it, good luck. There's no reason to try to stuff everything into a single line or whatever. All right, so if tiles required, and we haven't selected one yet. Let me fix this up here. So there we go, yeah, so basically the idea is if tiles required and we have not selected a tile yet, then enabled should be false. Let me actually go double check that I didn't mess up the other. Let's see, if tile's not required or we have selected one. Okay, I did get that right. Alright, so now in my game, we should see that when we inspire, we click the guy. No, why is it lit up? It shouldn't be lit up. Well, it shouldn't do anything. Oh, order. I wanted to order, that's why. Okay. Well, good that inspire still works. But yeah, order's not lit up because we haven't selected a tile yet. But actually I should... I can kind of select a tile there, but that's not what I want. Alright, so that check's all working. Okay, so now when we click a unit, here's where we need some more code. So if it's a special action that requires selecting a tile, then prepare the tiles to be selected. So I need to figure out what tiles I want to be available. And now I actually do have some code for create selectable tiles. Let me just grab this for now, maybe. Yeah, I don't know about this. What does this function do? targets, interactive, and color. Alright, well, for simplicity's sake, I'm not going to worry about figuring out what kind of action it is for now. I'm just gonna say pick all the tiles within 2 spaces of the unit that we clicked on, which is unit. So so target needs to have an X and a Y. And actually, I might not even want to use this function. What does this one do? Oh, this is, okay, basically that one's selecting them. Yeah, okay. The problem is I don't think I want these click functions. I'll have to think about it. It's a bit more complicated than I want it to be. But anyways, for now, let's, I'm just gonna be super lazy and, wait, why won't it let me? Oh, we're not in there. Alright, so now I've got the unit. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna be kind of super lazy here. This is so bad. I should get punished for this. Alright, so I'm just gonna make some spots near the unit. I'll fix it up later, I promise. They are interactive. Alright, I kinda wanna just see if this will do anything. Alright, so when I, let me go ahead and focus myself just to get rid of some of those extra tiles. Alright, so we order, and then we click this guy. Alright, so it did create these 4 tiles, and, I can't really select them yet, but it did create them. What I think I might want to do, so currently I have it so when you hover over a guy, it shows the different places they can go, but I probably want to turn this off in this mode. Yeah, I probably want to turn that off because it's probably pretty confusing, right? Alright, so let's work on turning that off first. So currently that happens in onHover unit. And let's see. So if we have a unit that we're hovering, if we're hovering it, it's figuring out their actions and showing them and stuff. But let's say and this dot input state is not equal to select targets. So let's throw that on. Alright, so right now it's doing it. If I hit order, it'll stop doing it. So that's good. I should probably also hide my own, right? So where do I create those, I wonder? That's probably in like game state update or something. Let's see. So we're activating a unit. Yeah, here we go. So we probably want to remove these if we're in select targets mode. So we probably just need to destroy the selectable tiles, which I think there's even a function for that. Yeah, destroy selectable tiles. Oh, it looks like I am calling it already in some places. So on-click action. Alright, yeah, let's click, oh, this is, that's on-click action. Here we go. So in special action click, probably any of these three. We'll want to do this. All right, so let's I might just stick it in there. Actually, let's just put it at the end. And I'll just throw this in. I probably, yeah, I don't know. That's probably what we want. Oh, you guys couldn't see what I was doing. Silly me. Alright, well. Let's see if it works. Alright, they're gone. And they don't show up again. And now they show up there, and if I hit cancel... Alright, but I think that light blue one is still there. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Inspire. Yeah, they're still there. I think I know why. I think I know why those are still there. It's probably because I never destroyed them. Yeah, so this returns the tiles. Yeah, let's I think I just want to stick it on here. That way we don't lose it, right? surprised they let me get away with that comma there. It's kind of weird. Alright, what are we complaining about now? We'll just have an empty array there. And then, we will want to clean it up somewhere at some point. Where is it? I sure use this in a lot of places, don't I? Alright, I think here is probably where we want to clean it up. But then we probably need to... I'm not sure what happens when you click cancel. That would be in, yeah, what happens when you click cancel? We destroy selectable tiles. Actually, maybe instead of sticking it on there, I should probably just stick it on here. Alright, yeah, let me go undo that. Alright, we'll just stick it here. And I think that'll help us out a bit. Because I already have a lot of code that manages that. So there they are, and when I cancel, they should go away. Yeah, they're gone. Alright, and I can actually select it. So that's pretty cool, right? But it doesn't know that I've selected it. And I know why that is. And it's because it's because the function here when you click it, when you hover it, it sets hovering destination. I don't know that matters. I don't know what that's even used for. Oh, I think it was just some code I added to make sure things don't get a little weird. Alright, so when you click it, it sets selected destination. Okay, that's actually what we want, I think. Yeah, so I added in a bunch of stuff for the tile selected, but actually I've already got this selected destination. I think that's good enough. Let me check. Yeah, so it's either set to something or null. Alright, yeah, I think that'll be good. Alright, let's actually remove this X and Y thing. Alright, so I've completely taken it out, and I think we're using the existing selected destination thing I made. So I'm gonna select one there just to make sure it's not broken. Alright, so order, click a guy. Okay, so order is lit up already, and that's because I had a selected spot there. So what that tells me is I really need to clean up, there was somewhere I needed to clean up selected destination, and that is probably in here. I think that's what I want, but that might actually break some stuff. Yeah, yeah, that breaks stuff. Alright, instead of there, let's actually clean it up in, yeah, in here. Alright, I think that'll be good. So let's check it out. So even if I have something selected there, I'll click order, click a guy, yeah, it's cleared. Alright, so now I'll click a tile, and I can order, or I can cancel, and I can order again. Alright, so that's all looking really good actually. And now I can click the thing. Alright, we're moving along. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is, when we click that order button, it's gonna call perform special action, I believe. So we need some way to pass along the selected destination. We can probably go ahead and just add that into the message. I think that'll be good. So here's where we actually select the tile. What actually are we even, what are we even passing in here? Target. What is target though? guess it's probably a move destination object. Let's go ahead and use more TypeScript here. So TypeScript helps you find bugs usually, and so I probably don't need to set these really. Oh, I probably do need to set path. Yeah, if I actually want to be able to move the unit, I will need to set the path. Alright, so let's change our thinking on this here. Rather than a super hacky, way of doing this, what we need to do is we need to figure out where the unit can go in tube movement. Yeah, I think I want the unit ID one. Alright, so this, yeah, so that gives us an array of move destinations. But, I want to limit it. I guess we could filter it out, really. So let's iterate over it. And let's start at the end. Alright, hey, let's say if full move dest I dot movement is greater than 2, we'll remove it. So Splice will remove that unit, and since we're iterating backwards, we don't have to worry about any weird things that happen with length. Alright, so that'll remove everything that costs more than 2 movement. And then, we'll just pass that in. And that'll do what we want. And we can double check that it works. Alright, so let's order this guy. And as you can see, he can't get to these squares because the dark blue requires extra movement points. And yeah, there's not a square there. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is exactly what we want. Alright, so now we fixed that up. And the whole reason I was doing that is that I wanted to set selected destination to a move destination or null. Just so I knew what it was. Alright, so now we're in perform special action. And I think we'll just pass along selected tile or something like that. and it can be null. Alright, that should be good. So now we're passing it in. Finally, we actually go to do it. And let's pass that in here. Alright. So now we have everything we need to actually move the unit. So, for example, alright, yeah, do special action effect. We'll need to pass in our selected destination. We'll copy that. Alright, so finally we're back to this to-do, and this time we have a destination. So if destination, gotta make sure it actually has a, it's not null, but it should be null, unless someone's trying to hack me. Alright, and we want to move, let's see, so the performer uses it, that's good. And then basically, the target, dot move. Let's see, how do I actually move, guys? Oh, I'm surprised I don't have a function for this, but I think I know why, actually. And it's because, alright, let me just do this. The reason is because, I need to update the squares, actually. I don't want to look for that. Here we go. Here's where we move units. Oh, I guess we should really pass the path in, huh? So there are a few checks here we want to pay attention to, probably. Let's see. So it's using unit movement points. And also, for the campaign, there's this as well. So I think we just want to call this function, but ignore the movement points requirements. I think that's what we want to do. Let's just go with target.player, target unit ID. There we go. There's the path. But we're gonna need to ignore movement points. So let's add on another parameter. there we go. So if, we'll put that in there. And, put that there. Alright, so yeah, if we ignore the requirements, we'll skip that. Oh, I did that wrong. So, there we go. No, that's not right either. If not, there we go. So if we're not ignoring the movement point requirements, and you don't have enough, that's bad. And then if we're not ignoring the requirements, subtract them. Oh, we've got this as well. Probably don't want to do this. Alright, we're gonna skip this too. I'm a little worried how much logic I have in this function, but that's a problem for future me. Alright, well, that should be enough to move the unit. Oh, probably if I call move unit somewhere else, I need to, update the function. Do I? Oh, I must only call that from the gameplay scene. Alright, yeah, that's when you're doing a normal move, so we'll make sure to pass false for ignore there. Alright, I think that's enough to see it move. No, wait. We still need to worry about the animation. That's the last piece. Alright, finally we're here. We're ordering this move, and we want to do the same things we do when we move a unit. So let's go look at perform move to see what we do. Looks like we have a lot of logic here. We might be able to split this out into a function to help us out. Yeah, I think we'll do that. What do we need? We definitely need a path. Probably actually just pass in a move destination object. And we probably need a unit ID, right? But that actually might be enough. I think that'll do it. Alright, and then we just need to call it from our new location as well. Do I need to call start animation? Yeah, maybe I'll go ahead and still call that, since we called it up here. Alright, so we'll still call it, before we actually do it, and then, this is just complaining about being null. So, we'll make sure it's not null. Alright, that was a lot of code, but I think it'll work. What do you think my odds are? I think it's probably like 90%. Alright, so we're gonna order this guy to move here. We're gonna click order. Well, I'm pretty happy that that worked. I don't know about you guys. Alright. Like, yeah, I'm actually kind of shocked that it worked. But, no, I have confidence in my code. It'll probably even work again on this other guy. You know, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, I'm not seeing any problems. Let's make sure we can, like, still attack somebody. Yeah, that still works too. Is this real? Wow, it really all works. Well, that's another thing to chalk off the list. And I've been streaming for a while, so I'll probably call it a day there. But I mean, aside from a graphic and the animation for the special ability, pretty much done. With that unit, I didn't even get to the other unit, but I think now that I did the targeting stuff, it'll be a lot easier to do this grenade stuff. Well, I'm probably not gonna push this update live until, I am gonna check it in though. Initial code for commander unit. But yeah, I'm not gonna publish it quite yet. So if you're refreshing the page and you're wondering why it doesn't work, that's why. But yeah, I'll probably add in this animation and come up with some kind of graphic, and then I'll get them added to the game. And then we can start on the next unit. But yeah, I'm a little little tired of talking for now, so I'm gonna call it a day for today. Thanks for joining me, everybody. And yeah, maybe next time we'll do one of these other two ideas for a programming stream. That might be fun. Switch it up a little. I'll have to think about what I want to build for a Discord bot. Alright, that's it for today. I'll put out my schedule for next week. I will be taking like 10 or so days off starting on Thursday. So, I'll make a note of it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!